you very much, Your Honor. Although I don't understand what you term as political phrases, I still thank you for this opportunity, Your Honor. Your Honor, having heard from all the submissions under these abnormal circumstances, I want to emphasize what I said, that it is not me on trial, Your Honor. It is the court itself on trial. And Your Honor, no matter what you decide in that court, whatever you decide, Your Honor, that is not my business. My business is standing for the truth. My business is standing for what is morally right. My business, Your Honor, is standing for what is morally beneficial to you, to me, to those people that are persecuting me under the guise of prosecution, and to all the people of Uganda. And Your Honor, if standing for what is right, if standing for truth is going to earn me my freedom, I will thank God for it. But Your Honor, if standing for what is right is going to keep me in this prison, then I will thank God even louder. After all, I have a lot of work to do even here in prison.